Okay, see what we can do. Blindfold on before it stops. How about that? Okay, right, we all know what that is. You're not going to know what that is. We've just turned up the heat. Okay, so you're going to need to take a bite on this one. It's quite long, so you're going to need to open quite wide. Are you ready? Right. Give it a bite. Bite down. It's a penis willy. Okay, we've got some crew. I've been good to you so far, Paula. I've looked after you. Okay. Right. We're cheating. I don't care what number she's got. I know what she's getting. See the number? Okay. I want to have a look as well. Okay. Vegetarian. Okay, you need to open really wide here, and I just have your hands under your chin. Right, you have to take a big mouthful, okay? Get ready to really scoff that in. Ready? Open wide. There we go. Sun-dried tomatoes is a correct...
Blindfold him.
This bloke's always getting in the way.
Definitely pesto, and do you put pesto and fish sauce?
Maybe. And there's one other thing. There's one other thing.
Right, pesto, fish sauce, and Worcestershire sauce.
Nope. Three, two, one. It was tomato soup. Someone else is going to have to.
Louise!
Here we go. Lou's going to do it. You can pick, Lou. All right, we're coming round. This is Lou's decision. Before there's any comeback.
She's run away.
What's your guess? No? First guess. Woo! She's got a bonus point for aubergine.
Just going to remind you all, if you go onto Instagram and hashtag Vanlife Eats Festival and then hashtag Vanlife Eats Aubergine, Carrot, Tomato, you will get more points for your team. So go onto social media, hashtag Vanlife Eats Festival, hashtag Vanlife Eats Aubergine.
I would tell him for the extra point.